Welcome back to our online classes, British Scholars Public School. I'm Shilpa Patil and we are going to learn our computers. Chapter number 4, Using the Mouse. From this video, you will learn about using the computer's mouse. First of all, we are going to learn about holding the mouse, how to hold the mouse. यानी किस तरह से हमें करेक्टली माउस हाथों में हमारे पकड़ना चाहिए. Hold the mouse with the hand you use to write. जिस हाथ से आप लिखते हैं always means right hand. You have to hold the mouse with your right hand. Place your palm on the body of the mouse. आपको क्या करना है, आपका जो पूरा ये पाम है, ये हैंड है, ये आपको इस माउस पर रखना है इस तरह से. This is the palm on base of mouse, thumb on side of the mouse. ये हमारा थंब जो होता है, अंगूठा हमारा, वो साइड में रखना है माउस के. Pointer on left mouse button. Pointer, this first finger or index finger, we can say index finger on left mouse button. Place middle finger on right mouse button. This is the middle finger. Middle finger you have to place on right mouse button. This way you have to hold the mouse. Place your palm on the body of the mouse. Place your index finger on the left mouse button and place the middle finger this way. You can move the mouse very easily on mouse pad. Move the mouse. When we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves about on the screen. अगर हम इस तरह से इस माउस को मूव करते हैं माउस पैड पे, तो ये जो हमारा कर्सर है उस हिसाब से हिलते रहेगा. We want on the computer, we can this way. You have to move the mouse on the pad. That way mouse pointer also moves on the screen. Click the mouse button. To click the mouse, press the left mouse button once. अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ पर क्लिक करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है, आपको उसका माउस का लेफ्ट बटन दबाना पड़ेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड द लेफ्ट बटन टू select or click the mouse. Click the mouse. To click the mouse, press the left mouse button once. This is the left mouse. You have to press it once. To double click the mouse, quickly press the left mouse button 2 times. Here you can see in the picture also it is given how to double click the mouse. This is 1, left click 2. You have to immediately click the mouse button and double click. You have to do likewise to click the mouse. Right click the mouse. To right click the mouse, press the right mouse button once. That way whatever our fingers we are going to put on the mouse, that way we have to press the fingers. To right click the mouse, press the right mouse button once. एक ही बार हमें दबाना है. Drag and drop the mouse. To drag and drop the mouse, first of all press the left button. Do not leave it. Then move the mouse. This way you can do it. Mouse at P1, here you can see. जिस तरह से यहाँ पे P1 पे माउस है, you have to press it like this. ये येलो कलर का है, यानी हमने प्रेस किया है. Pressed. Then again the next procedure, hold and move. इस तरह से हमें मूव कर सकते हैं इसको. And the next one, release at P2. P2 पे हमें छोड़ देना है. That way it will be select. From this video and from this chapter, we learn that mouse is a part of the computer. When we move the mouse, an arrow moves on the screen. Mouse should be kept on the mouse pad. Parts of mouse are left button, right button, scroll wheel, mouse body and wire. Mouse is used to click, double click, right click, drag and drop. I hope all of you understand this video. Thank you very much for watching it.